you live from right outside Atlanta, Georgia. We have had a time. Take it.
Well, the last week and a half has been just one big messed up mess. Really. We started out in Battle Creek, Michigan.
Yes.
About a week and a half ago.
No. Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, about a week and a half ago. Started out in Battle Creek, Michigan, and was to deliver a load to Winter Haven, Florida.
Yes.
That load went off without a hitch. No problems whatsoever. Then we were supposed to go to Tampa and pick up a load. Well, when we got there, that load got scratched. It just got scratched. So he called in and talked to his driver leader, yada yada yada. They found us another load in Jacksonville, Florida.
So we drove to Jacksonville.
So we got our 10-hour break. We drove to Jacksonville the next morning, and that load wasn't ready. They hadn't started on it. No idea when it was going to be ready. So there we sit again. Called driver leader back. Driver leader talks to them about this load, and he said that load is jacked up and it's very confusing. So they found us another load going back to Tampa. So we went back to Tampa, got that load. It was a good load that time. And that load went to South Carolina.
Yes.
And got that one delivered a couple of days ago. And then we picked up this load that we have now in South Carolina. And we're headed to Columbus, Mississippi right now. We delivered this one tomorrow morning. Sorry, I got a piece of candy in my mouth. We deliver this one tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock, and we're not sure where we're going to go from there. We haven't gotten anything yet. So we've just been bouncing back and forth around in Florida for a little while. Would have been nice if we'd have had some downtime to mess around in Florida, but we didn't. The only downtime we had, we were sleeping. So we stopped last night. We stopped in Bowman, South Carolina last night. Got laundry done. Got the bed sheets changed. All that kind of good stuff. Got up this morning at 5. Left out about 6. And we're headed to Mississippi. We're about
almost in
320 miles away from our drop location. Can't drop this one till in the morning at 9 o'clock, so
It's a live unload.
yeah, it's a live unload. Then we have some kind of car parts or truck parts or something. I don't know exactly. Isn't that what it is?
Something.
Anyway, we're going to stop short tonight in just outside of Tuscaloosa, and
Cottondale.
huh?
Cottondale.
Yes, that's where we're stopping, in Cottondale. And we'll stay there tonight, and then we'll finish it up in the morning. I think it's like 70 or 80 miles, something like that. So we've already stopped and took our 30-minute break. We're about 240 miles away from Cottondale. We'll stop there tonight and get some sleep. We'll get up in the morning and do it all over again. We're almost to Atlanta. That's his favorite place. He loves to drive in Atlanta.
Yeah.
Hate Atlanta. But today's Sunday. We're getting there around noon time, so hopefully it won't be too bad. the butter beans. Back years ago, whenever I was
A little bitty guy.
no, I wasn't little. I was already grown and married and had kids.
You're little.
We were driving through Mississippi going to my sister's house, and it was me, my mama, and my mama, and both of my kids, and back country roads, and I was just looking out the window, and I told my mama to look over at all the butter beans, running butter beans out there, and I thought that woman was going to pee on herself. She had to break my heart and tell me that wasn't butter beans, that was kudzu. So now every time I see kudzu, and I told him about it, so every time we see kudzu now, he picks at me about the butter beans that's not out there.